Abel, are you bewitched? Unbind us.
What? Oh. Yes, of course.
Raven clan armor. Da X Christian. There. Shouldn't have shared. Nicht. Then you're lacking the Gàidhlig.
You are a true friend, Wolf-kissed. Even if your wits were somewhat rattled.
Listen here. If you can breathe, you can fight. Now come. We take back our ship.
You do not need to tell us twice.
What happened here then?
Help me out over here!
Yeah, she needs Jan and Carson. Russian Kira color.
Shoot there, you go!
Yeah, crushing. Okay. Right. I find Clacture should help that. Just like that. And Valhalla got it. Yeah, I shouldn't have said. Pàirt aan de hinne. Jack again, right, listen.
Keep your guard up!
Kaars in het algaartje.
Definitely not asleep.
Ruskin aan hen. Shin maar verder veel dal. Een grootje good judge in de giri. Well, and you mess an odd.
Already dead! Use them!
Outstay your welcome. You're like patience! Look for the open. Smash you!
Cavill tar.
Jet, need to get on the other side.
Okay. Eentje nog. Haasje gaan trekken. Dat zou best een keertje. Oké. Oké. Check. He's wedging a really stuck chair. Can you leave close at each end? Okay, shouldn't have shot. Okay. Bug back on in. Right, nu de guy. Die dacht kras dan kan het niet. Oké, ik heb een shit aan ja. Oh, naar u kan. Kan je. Right. Loot chest. That's bearstach. Is it all I ask for you? Scania. Right. Throw the card. Okay, cabbage in the doll, hash in the doll. Okie dokie. Oh. Okay. Really, I got a cat or something.
Won't escape!
Well, then you're good. Don't you get eyes there and hen? Hello. Commissioner. No, hello, Hatch.
Your end is right here.
Bloody
In step with me!
Right, cavalry. Yeah. She's in there. Action. Okay, we spent him med Iarna Garsna and stun of it. Shouldn't it? But I mean,
How are you?
right. Okay.
You're a gross sinner. Huh? Let's borrow then.
Okay. Rushing. Jack Line. Hi, couldn't you go? Right. Shaw, he come back.
Nothing, take you!
Shaw. Okay, there's something to stay on. Jet rifle.
Dad, Greggy, grab your oars. The whale road leads us home.
Gods, it's about time.
I've had a kind
Stop yapping and start rowing.
I'm a Gàidhlig is an etterhang gebeurd beowulf geleden. Kutschen en gaan en dat ze hem zo had kalf. Dan sail. Okay, cabbage in the dal get daar. She's a dövja. Svensk cabbage. Okay.
Sail out!
Shashin. Ah, thank you.
Rather silent, Eivor. Anything to say for the mess you led us to?
We suffered no losses in this fight, and the men who humiliated us are dead. What is there to say?
Joe fine.
Oh, something like, I was stupid, selfish, reckless, blind, boned-headed, and I smell like blood and shit.
I like my version better.
Yeah, shout right at him. Shout right at him. Eentje nog.
Eivor, look! Someone is setting up an outpost on that island.
Kjot's men, gnawing at any piece of open land like dogs worrying a bone.
Even with you half in the grave, we could easily take them.
Een jantje, J biach chat. Wel, je versans kun jatje en een elan hashanja kun kumshin eruit lesje skillach. Ja, je moet je balkam uske aan te als je chingu kahunig. Okay, a vote akin son and Yelan. Da vote. Your longship must be pointed towards the shore. Okay, da
Let's sail!
okay. Well, Maybe she tuned. Machine. Genji. Raid. Okay. Lorna going in.
We fight! Turn to ice if I stay here.
Get in. Stop. Okay. Right. Galar Nige. Gira, hit you in sass. Aye, could you seen a rule got it?
No!
Man.
Keep your guard up!
Jeez. Dude. Wait, can you listen to a musician? Right.
Over now.
Guys, ciao. Biter. I suppose you can go action bone biter. Okay, yeah. Varen's axe. Oh yeah. Well, I caught them. Bone biter. Shoshin. Right. Usa. Sure, bone biter. Whoa.
Back to the ship!
Okay. Ranching a food, shall we smashing? Nish to give a bone biter, I come over to give out that there. Right, so what's going on here? Eagle, Airline Shania, Chidach. Odd out. She's odd. Oh, you can helm him. What the side? Who's it? Right. Fusion, bone biter, it's all used. Well, George, do that. Gleva. Right, Rash kan vaat, men svensk. Joshin, Ihishin, Jerka kan Chilishin kan vaat. Ska ni all heen? Vad är det sparsa?
Too cold. My blood freezes.
Cool. Right. Go with my Harton. Come along. Yeah, sure. Couching though. My shin is no she is gonna fjord shin.
Sail! Catch the wind!
Oh, fine son Oran.
Now, harder and stronger than before.
No surprise there. This war has spun on for 3 generations. I hardly expect him to relent.
Your hatred for that man burns bright, wolf-kissed. I could warm my balls on it.
Would you not prefer a pair of sealskin breeches?
Just take care, Eivor. Such hatred can make you careless. What he did to your father, he did to all of us. You are not in this fight alone.
Men jag puttar nästan eri Oran. Kan jag lite shine? Tack för macket. Unlock igen vet.
King Styrbjorn will scold you for setting out against his wishes.
Styrbjörn.
Of course he will.
Is that not something you worry over?
I worry only that our king will not see that I am right until it's too late.
What about Sigurd? What would he say?
If Sigurd were here, he would be sitting beside you, wiping the blood from his axe and smiling into the breeze.
Okay.
And what will you tell our king about this misadventure?
Only the truth. He attacked Kjotve's fortress,
Kjotve.
killed his men, and weakened his control of this land.
Will you mention the part where you lost your crew and were nearly sold as a thrall? Will that be part of your saga?
If there's a skull who dares sing that verse, it'll be his last song.
So bheith sin tíle gachaí go láiteas go hai sin fiad. Con féime. Right.
Let's put in here!
Ba mission tú go raibh sin adal astray Kjotve. Kjotve. Colas go sin díra chuir tíle. Yeah?
Well, well, the feeder of ravens returns, and not half dead. We thought we had lost you, Eivor, for good this time.
A warm welcome as always, Ranvi.
You look like reddened sheet. What happened?
Nothing to crow about, except to say the men who delayed us are dead. And how are you?
Well enough, though I have spent many tiresome days calming the rages of our king. He is not happy with you.
Oops.
I expected as much. And what of Sigurd? Has he returned from his raids?
My husband should be home today. The last we heard, he was approaching Stavanger.
Stavanger.
Good to hear. We have need of his courage.
Sigurd will not save you from his father's wrath, Eivor. You should know that by now.
Did your raid not go as planned?
They rarely go as planned. We killed many of Kjotve's warriors. And there was this. My father's axe among the dead.
Ah, after so many years. You should take it to Gunnar. He will give it back its edge.
A good idea. After I see our king.
That I do not advise. Not yet. He is meeting with a messenger from the north.
I can wait.
A cloud hangs over you. Is something wrong?
Seeing my father's axe after 17 winters. It stirred something in me. A feeling I have not had since the day he was killed. Since the day I got this.
Memories of past agonies. Of sadness and pain.
I should speak with Volka. She could help me make sense of my feelings.
Take your time getting settled. I will see you at the Longhouse.
I think you have lost your edge, Eivor, just like that axe. Maybe Gunnar can help you with both.
I will let you know.
Rí nach il itir taliteáin.